You guys, how are you? Are you doing well? Yeah? Cool. Okay, so for today I have a Christmas resin mold that I actually got when I ordered some Halloween stuff. It came with that, but I didn't think it really fit for Halloween, so I wanted to use it for Christmas instead. So we're gonna give that a shot today. All you need for this is some resin, you know, whatever mold, and then some color. I'm gonna use some glitter and hopefully it'll turn out pretty cool. So let's dive in and let's do this. Today we're gonna do some resin stuff. We haven't done that for a while, so I thought this would be a good one. I have a little mold here that I'm gonna use it for a Christmas mold. And I want to use two different colors. So the first one is iridescent glitter, and then the next one is this purple and blue. And if you'll notice, I have two different measurements of resin because this one is bigger because the moon is bigger on the mold, and this one is smaller because the star is smaller. So for the moon, I want to use the iridescent. And then this is the star. And now we just mix them up. Well, this iridescent glitter looks like it's got a little bit of red in there. So I don't know what that's all about. Okay, and then all right, good enough. Then I have these little squeezy bottles. So let's transfer. Sorry, let me get that out of your face. Okay. So I've opened it quite a bit. All right, and I'm gonna start over here. You know what? Can you see that? Can you see this? Okay, so I'm gonna start up here. So now I'm gonna come in over here. And actually right here, I'm just gonna use some of this. Just to get that going. You know what, my sparkles are like maybe too big for this bottle because they seem to like keep getting caught up here, you know? So maybe use a finer glitter, just as a piece of advice. The next part is the base for this mold. And I gotta tell you, I don't know if I'm gonna have enough. So I'm just gonna kinda work with what I have. And then I'm gonna add this. Okay, now we really are done. So I'm gonna show you guys what this looks like. And then when it dries, we'll come back and check it out. Well, my mind has just been blown. I was reading about the giant Pacific octopus. Did you know they have 3 hearts, 9 brains, blue blood, and like that's not enough, they can also change their color and texture so that they can camouflage themselves from predators. I am in awe of this one creature that has so many things going for him. I mean, how are they not like the king of the sea? Who is the king of the sea? Is there a king of the sea? Is that Poseidon? Okay, you guys, today is the day. It's our big reveal. So let's start with the stand. Woo, look how pretty that is. Oh, I love that. Okay. Now, we're gonna do this one. Oh, it's still a little bendy. But that's okay, because we can flatten it right back out. See all these little holes? They're kind of a pain in the ass. I gotta be honest with you here. This is not satisfying. Well, maybe kind of a little. Oh, but it looks cool as shit. Now, we'll poke him in there. Oh, he's a little loose, but that's okay. I think it looks cool. Yeah? Well, I'm happy with that. Alright, so I'll show you when I have it set up. Alright? Thank you for coming to the show. I'm so happy that you did. And I have another one that I would like to do on another episode. It's this one. Okay? All right. We'll see you guys. Have a good one. Kick some ass. Fifi's going nuts.